What's in your Social Security Disability electronic file? Now, for many years, the Social Security Administration has used a color-coded paper file system, and it was organized into 6 groups of documents. These file folders were crucial because they contained information such as payment documents and decisions, jurisdictional documents and notices, current development, or a temporary placeholder for records. There was non-disability development. There was disability-related development. There were, of course, those important medical records. And when the file was ultimately ready for a hearing, any documents that were found in what was called the C section were purged, and everything was put in its right place, hopefully. And that was important because the Social Security Administration staff would be getting the record ready for the judge for a hearing, and then we would get access to this paper file, and we'd have to go to the judge's office and with a ream of copy paper and copy the file. Fortunately, we've now gone to electronic records, and once the staff has the file ready, then we have electronic access. And that's important because we want to review the exhibit list that the judicial staff has prepared, because we want to make sure that all of your medical records have been properly exhibited. And if we find that something is missing, we want to supplement that electronic record as quickly as possible. Now, that can be medical records, that can be other information, because ultimately the judge is going to be reviewing this and making a decision on your case based on what's in that file. So one of the things when we happen to review the file that we look at is something called case development, and that's done by the local state DDS office. Those are the folks who denied your claim. And what we're looking for are medical reviews and occupational analysis, together with any consultative medical examination reports. This helps us understand the reasoning that DDS may have used in reaching their decision to deny the claim. But that, in turn, helps us develop the necessary evidence, be it medical or other evidence, to overcome the claim's denial. So it helps us not only make sure that the record is complete, but it helps me fashion a winning argument to present to the administrative law judge. What's important, obviously, is to make sure that you are telling your lawyer about the medical treatment that you're getting so that your lawyer can timely get those medical records, getting updated residual functional capacity forms, and then, of course, the lawyer looking at that material, and particularly the DDS portion of the file, for their case development, their MEs, their CEs, and their analysis of the claim. That will give us a roadmap to create a winning argument. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.